Here they come! 5 of my truck friends are coming to play. Wahey! 5 big trucks went driving one day, over the hill and far away. Mac's monster truck raced around the track, so only 4 big trucks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 big trucks went driving one day, over the hill and far away. Fiona fire truck had a fire to attack, so only 3 big trucks came back. 1, 2, 3. 3 big trucks went driving one day, over the hill and far away. Danny was busy digging up tarmac, so only 2 big trucks came back. 1, 2. 2 big trucks went driving one day, over the hill and far away. Vicky Van's windscreen got a nasty crack, so only 1 big truck came back. 1 big truck went driving one day, over the hill and far away. Larry the lorry needed to unpack, so that day no big trucks came back. I've been lonely at the garage all day, wishing my friends would come to play. As night time came and the sky turned black, over the hill all the trucks came back.